Assalamu alaikum student, this is your English language teacher and today we are going to learn the first topic of your first chapter, right? And the first topic is talking about people, and the objectives of this lesson are to make you enable to talk about people in a better way, and the second objective is to enable you to judge the personality of a person through his or her actions and behavior, right? So in your daily life you meet different peoples, right? If we talk about your home, so at your home you have your family members, right? You have your relatives, your siblings, parents. And if we talk about your school, at school you have your teachers, your friends and class fellows. So you have so many people in your surroundings, right? So you their behavior and their actions are also different with you. So and you also talk about these people with other persons. You may talk about them with your teacher, if we talk about your teacher, so you can tell your mom at your home that my teacher has such type of personality. She is friendly, she is confident, right? So this type of words you can use to describe the personality of those people who are in your surroundings, right? So and one thing more, through their actions and through their behavior you can tell that what sort of personality, what type of personality those people have. For example, here I have given an example of Saira. Saira is always busy in studies. She has a lot of work to do in the summer vacations, right? So this notion that Saira is always busy in the studies, this behavior of Saira shows that she is very hardworking, right? And the second thing is she also gets up early in the morning and offers prayer daily. So a person who behaves he or she gets up early in the morning and he or she does something on daily basis, so such type of person is called a regular and punctual student. For example, if you go to your school at 7:30 or 8:30, whatever the time of your school is, so if you are on time in the school, it means that you are regular and punctual. This behavior shows that you are regular, right? And the last thing is she takes breakfast and meal after washing her hands and cleaning teeth. So it means that this section shows that she loves cleanliness. So this behavior shows that she is very tidy. All right, and the second person that I have given as an example. All right, and the second character is of Ali. Ali always enjoys parties with friends. So this type of behavior of Ali shows that he is very friendly because he always enjoys hang out with his friends. So he also always interacts with strangers with the smiley face. So a person who not even interact with his friends with a smiley face but with the strangers as well, so such type of person is called friendly person and sociable as well, right? You can use both words for such type of people. And the last thing about Ali is he is never confused. So a person who is never confused, such type of person is called confident person, right? So and the last character that I have given in this lecture is of Ahmed. Ahmed does not like to go outside and hang out with friends. It means that Ahmed is completely opposite to Ali. Ali enjoys parties with friends, but Ahmed does not like to go outside with friends. So it means that Ahmed's behavior is completely opposite to the behavior of Ali. So if Ali is friendly, so Ahmed would be unfriendly, right? And he is not confident as well. So a person who is not confident, he would be opposite to the confident, right? He would be somewhere, you know, he would be shy, nervous, right? You can use shy and nervous, this type of words, for those people who are not confident. And the last thing is, he also does his work fast and does not care about his writing. So Ahmed is such type of person who does his work fastly and does not care about his writing. So a person who is doing something very fast and he also does not care about anything, such type of person is called careless person, right? Okay, and the next thing is, you can use different type of words. Words, I have already told you that you can, use to describe the personality of a person, like friendly, unfriendly, confident, shy, nervous, tidy. That I have already told you in the examples of Saira, Ali, and Ahmed. But instead of those words, you can use certain types of idioms as well. For example, a person who is very much interested in science and technology, you can use the word for such type of person that he is a nerd, right? So a person who talks very much, you can use a word talkative. That if a girl or a boy in your class or in your surrounding talks very much, talks a lot, you can say that he is a chatterbox. You can also say that he is a talkative person, but instead of talkative and except talkative, you can say that this person is very talkative and he is a chatterbox, right? So and the third thing is, if a person is very much, calm, he does not have any emotions, he neither laugh in the class or in your surrounding, nor he feels anything, he doesn't feel anything. Okay, so such type of person is called a cold fish. You can say that he is a very unfriendly and he is a very cold fish. And a person who likes parties very much, such type of person is called party animal. You can say, as we have learnt in Ali's case, that Ali does like to go with friends, uh, right, to attend the parties. But you can such type of person is called friendly, sociable as well, and you can use the word to describe that people, that he is a party animal, right? So a person who never goes outside, who is very, as I have already told you, that Ahmed does